Welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's doing good today. I'm doing great. So no. But today's video is going to be on this Amazon hair. Okay. I think it's Lilac. It's 30 inches. I'll leave the link and everything in the description box below. So be sure to check that out. They have all different types of colors. And also I have other discount codes and everything in the description box, so please be sure to check out the description box because you guys will be saving some money. Okay, saving some money, especially using my codes. Okay, I'll have a discount code on these lashes and these nails. And I know the video is about hair, but I have to promote everything, you know. So yes, so if you like to see like how I put this wig on and everything like that, then please keep watching. So this is the box that the wig came in. It has their brand name on there, and I think like the color and style here or whatever. And so we're just gonna open this. Some encapsulation. So I think this is 30 inches and it's a full lace wig. And there's not much to cut off. And wigs that are like this can most likely be glueless because it's tight. And so I do not have my eyebrow razor. I don't know where it is. But I'm going to attempt to cut this with some scissors and make it look as natural as possible. So since the wig is already so tight, I'm just going to cut in like sections. So I did one right here. Maybe y'all can see. And I'm doing on this side. So I don't know if you all can tell, but I'm kind of like cutting in a zigzag or whatever. Since I'm not wearing a wig cap under this, I'm just gonna put foundation. Like, girl, move. Okay. So I'm gonna put foundation like right along this line right here. Okay, so I don't know how I feel. Like, the color is cute, the hair is really pretty for it to be synthetic. Like, I'm able to run my fingers through it and everything. Like, it's very, very beautiful, but I just don't know how it look on me. Like, I'm undecided, but I really think that it's cute. So yeah, I'm just trying different colors, stepping out of my comfort zone. And this, oh, my stomach growling. This is very pretty though. Like, kind of remind me of like Rapunzel or somebody. So the hair is 30 inches, and I'm gonna show you guys where it falls on me, standing and sitting. So I'm 5'1", by the way. So sitting is pretty much in my lap or whatever, like past my lap basically. And standing, it's like here. Yes. So this hair was about $45, something like that. So really not bad for a synthetic wig, and I honestly think that it's worth the money. They do have more colors. I do want to try another one, because like this is fine. Like, look, synthetic, like, girl. But yeah, so I just decided to try this, you know. Might as well call me a black Rapunzel, because that's what I'm giving right now, okay? But I do hope you all enjoyed this quick little video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also comment and let me know what you guys like to see next. Like this video if you like wig videos, wig reviews, wig everything. And yeah, I'm going to see y'all in my next video.